down, you know.
This is just another day in the life.
Oh, it's going down, okay. Look at them shoes.
Wow.
Look at them shoes. Oh, tuck your legs.
Just another day in the life. Getting my man. Man, nobody even knows who I am. This is just another day in the life. This is just another day in my life. Everybody asking me, what you really like? Is this really life? Do you really fight? Do you fear the mic? When there's millions watching, are you super rich now? How much grip you copping? You the new kid, now you getting some shine. When every vet saying that it's not your time. My hustle is non-stop and it's not your grind. Plus I hear very clear, I'm not so blind. Beef, I don't sweat it. Sleep, I don't get it. I remember your face, it's just your name, I forget it. These days they know together as one. I got some plans to do shit that
We're about to get the thing started in a little bit, so.
That's reflection of passion. This is just another day in the life. 7 flight connectors, past due bill collectors. This is just another day in the life. More money, more problems. I ain't got money to solve them. This is just another day in the life. Getting mobbed by fans. Man, nobody even knows who I am. This is just another day in the life. This is just another day in my life. Just another face in the crowd, so to speak. My electric was cut off last week. No heat, no food, no money, no girls. And if life's my oyster, then I ain't found pearls. Making moves.
Wow.
My legs and feet. Everybody I meet, man, they likely saw that I be in the same clothes from the night before. Shoes so old, you can call them retros, man. I'm so damn broke, even my wallet echoes. I got $1 in change, man. I'm under the gun. That fuck's the only thing keeping me from being a bum. That's why I'm writing these words, man. So
What's up, Cloudy Earth? Shout out to Prototype Crew, man. We just shot the music video from Pocket Change, my first single off my album. Peace, Love, and MVP from August 17th. Shout out to Prototype.
Okay. We just left the video shoot. Yes. Hold on, what? Yes, it's recording.